Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Beauty by DN. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get natural beach wavy curls right in your own home. Stay tuned. Okay, so I haven't brushed out my hair as yet. I will be using my paddle brush and I will be starting from the bottom, working my way up. So now I'm going to part my hair, starting at the nape of the head. I will be using a curling wand to get this look. The wand that I use is from Pretty Young Thing, and it is in the size 25 millimeters. Here it is. There's literally just one switch, the on and off button. It's very simple, very easy to use. I will be holding my wand down. It's just a lot easier for me to manage my hair that way because it's very long. Place the wand closer to your head and go around the wand with the hair. And do not curl the ends of your hair. That will allow you to get that beach wavy look. So keep the ends, the fishtails out. You're gonna leave it in for about 5 to 10 seconds. And there you have it. A nice soft wave. And that's the type of wave that we want. We don't want it to be too tight because we're actually gonna go in with a flat iron later on, and you'll see. Next, I will be parting my hair to the side here. I will be working from the back towards the front. So I'll be taking 1.5 inch sections. So now we're gonna move on to the next side. Noticed, I have been curling my hair away from my face. So in order to curl away from your face, what you're gonna do is wrap your hair this way, not inwards. So let me demonstrate because it might be a little easier. Put your wand down. You're gonna take your hair and wrap it away, 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 away. Okay. So now that I have the piece from the back, I'm going to split that in half, like so. I will be pinning this side away. Okay, so now the bottom of my hair is done. I'm now gonna go in and section out the top. So I will be taking about 1.5 inches or 2 inches from the back, working my way to the front. So here is the piece from the back. What I'm gonna do is, instead of splitting this in the middle, I'm going to just curl this all in one piece. And the reason being is because I have a bit of a cowlick right here in my crown. And if I was to split it in the middle and curl it, then it'll leave a little bit of like a demarcation, and I don't want that. So to prevent that from happening, I'm just gonna go in and curl this all together. So here's the next piece. I'm gonna go in and split this into 3 sections. Okay, so I now have the last section. Now it's up to you whether or not you want to do a side part or a middle part. Today I'm gonna switch it up a bit and I'm gonna do a middle part. Middle, like that. And now I'm going to pin this side up and I will be curling my hair once again, starting from the back, moving my way towards the front. And I'll be taking 1-inch sections, like this. I'm not gonna go in, which is the fun part, and I'm not gonna go mess it up with my fingers. So, you're just gonna take your fingers, gently brush it through, and go through and break up all the tight curls. And this allows your hair to have so much more volume as well. Once we're done running our fingers through our hair, we're then gonna go in with the flat iron. This flat iron is literally my holy grail. I've been using it since I worked at the salon like 10 years ago. It's hair art. It's one of the best. The heating on this is amazing. I'll post a link below so that you guys can check it out. So what I'm gonna do is run my flat iron gently through the ends of my hair. Now I'm just gonna gently run it through my hair to soften up all the curls. Now once we're done flat ironing the hair and softening up these waves, I like to go in with a serum, and I've been using this serum, actually it's another one of my holy grails, for about 10 years now. Again, since I've been working in the salon. This is from Earthly Body. It is the Marrakesh hairstyling oil, and I just literally use a very tiny bit. I rub it into my hands and just run it through my hair. Now this hair lasts. It's my go-to whenever I go out. I don't wash my hair every day, so this works for me. I can literally wake up the next morning and my hair still looks good. So if it can work for me, it can work for you. And there you have it, natural beach wavy curls right in your own home. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please check out my next video on how to get wet beach wavy curls, again in your own home, but this time we will not be using any hot tools. Thank you guys. Mwah.